everyone, this is Chris from Drink Production. Thank you that you are here and you decided to watch that video to gather some information I would like to pass about us, our services and about our company. Okay, I would like to start first with one of our services which we are offering. Is basically a consulting. I know many of you, when you decided to get in touch with us, you have lots of questions, and sometimes you don't really understand the industry. You don't really know where to go, who to ask about your project, about your concept. We come forward to you with our service, which is called consulting. You can pay us €150 and you can have a good chat with me for 1 hour. Perhaps maybe it's a good idea to spend €150 for a chat with the expert who will tell you what will be a good things and bad things about your drink, what obstacles you might have, what the average MOQs on certain products, what's the ideal average cost, which I don't know every time over every type of product, but some of them I do, which we have done in the past for some other customers. And and basically, €150 is pretty small, pretty much small amount, before you actually start investing thousands, and then you find out that your drink is not unique, or is basically not the drink which is successful on the market. So that's one service. Second service, what we do offer is called drink development, where we develop the recipes. Again, I would like to say that many of you, which I'm very grateful and thank you for all your emails and inquiries, but many of you are writing to us that you send me some certain list of ingredients and you're asking us to give you the quotation for the production. Unfortunately, something like this is much more complicated. We offer complete solution for that, which is drink recipe development service, where we will develop a commercial recipe based on your ingredients and on your idea. We will advise you the best packaging and the best preservation method. And of course, the calculation of the production is included in that offer in the end, so you will know. We work completely different on that subject than any other our competitors for two reasons. First of all, actually even three. First of all, we work very fast. We can develop the recipe between 2 to 4 weeks. Secondly, you get the copyrights of your recipe to your name or your business name. That means you become the owner of the recipe, and you can do with this recipe whatever you want, and you can manufacture wherever you want. Of course, ideally we would like to manufacture that for you in the end, but it's not compulsory. And thirdly, you are part of the development, so we normally invite our customers for the second tasting to our laboratory, where we can together work and make your best flavor and taste of your drink with you. So you are actually a part of the process. That's a new approach and completely different than what do our competitors. Okay? So I hope that will help you. Unfortunately, you have to know that without a drink recipe, we are unable to calculate the cost for you, because we don't know the ingredients, the preparation process, preservation process, and we don't have a microbiology results. Which actually, when it comes to the microbiology tests, this is made outside of our company. This is additional service on the top of the price of the development, where we will make the samples of your drink and send to the accredited laboratory, where you get the results in English for microbiology and nutrition, because you will need that before you introduce the drink to the market or you decided to go for the full commercial production. Another thing what you would like to know, would like to tell you that we can develop milk-based drinks, alcoholic beverages, non-alcoholic beverages, still sparkling, in glass bottles, cans, 250 ml, 330 ml and half a liter, with sleeve and with direct print. We can, of course, we can make it still or sparkling. We can also make PET production in PET bottles production. We also can make UHT production in cans and glass bottles. And we can also make shots, as well tablets and some supplements, or diet supplements as well. So as you can see, we have a quite big portfolio of that. And of course, I think we're one of the not many of companies in EU market where we offer full solution from drink development of the unique recipe based on your ingredients up to finished product. We can also do warehousing and distribution across Europe. That's of course all individual services once the recipe is made and the production has been made. Another thing what we do, once the recipe is developed and you got your laboratory results, you can also, or service what we offer is called pilot batch production. We can do between 3,000 to 4,000 units as a pilot batch per flavor. And that could be done for startup, because or for many startups or for many companies who just not sure if the product will be will work and sell well or not. So perhaps it's a good idea to, okay, you might pay a premium price for 4,000 units, 3,000 to 4,000 units, but at least you're not losing a lot of money. Where when you have that problem and you're investing a commercial production, where the volumes are different. Of course, our MOQs are stated on our website, but generally speaking, you can just send me an email and I'm happy to reply. Normally, I reply for all international inquiries because obviously of my language skills in the group, because it's 5 of us as the co-owners, and we work as a group. So we are 5 different limited companies working together to give the best solution to our customers and the best flexibility in the drink industry. That's the reason we come up with this idea as a group, and for the last 7 years we have managed to build that group to most efficient company where we offer the most easy way to produce drinks for our customers. So once you've got the pilot batch out of the way, you can also jump on the production, and the production of course is is something we would like to perform for you. Production takes between 4 to 9 weeks, depending on the ingredients, because sometimes some ingredients we have to wait longer for them because they're not ready shelf ingredients. They normally produced upon request. So you place the order with us, then we have to order your ingredients and your raw materials. What else you can do? You can also do with us the sampling in the laboratory. So if you don't want to go for the pilot batch, you can order between 20 to 50 units made in the lab, not for sale. And we can make that kind of samples for you, so you can take a few units with you, go on for your business meetings with your buyers, and you can talk to them, you can present the drink. You can also talk about the drink and offer to your buyers straight away the direct, pretty much finished product inside. Of course, it might not be in a commercial package, but at least the buyer will know the taste and will get the general idea what the drink it is and how it might look like, because we can also make a prototype of the final packaging. If you like that, we will be delighted to work with you. I'll be very happy to answer all your questions, but I hope this brief message will help you understand how our company operates and what solutions we've got. So thank you for watching, and we stay in touch. All the best. Bye.